Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond. What is an Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond? The Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond is required by the state of Oklahoma for all alcoholic beverage manufacturers, distributors, and wholesalers. If you are a company that distributes or manufactures alcohol in the state, it's important to get an alcoholic beverage tax bond from one of our licensed surety bond agents today. Why is the Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond required? Businesses must purchase a bond to activate their license or permit. This guarantees that if the business fails to comply with licensing and permit laws, they will be compensated by the surety company for any damages incurred due to this negligence. How does an Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond work? Getting an Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligé. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or the public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there's ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. How much does an Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond cost? Oklahoma Alcoholic Beverage Tax Bond is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.